Dear students, Shubhra Ranjan IAS is known for providing the quality guidance in optional. You all understand the importance of optional in the UPSC preparation, and we are happy to announce the launch of Anthropology Optional under the guidance of Vishnu Vardhan Sir. He has 13 years of experience with a very large number of students who have got selected under his guidance. We are organizing a special workshop on anthropology on 5th November at 2 p.m. You all are invited to attend the workshop at our 32 Pusa Road premise to understand what is his teaching technique and what strategy he will suggest for your anthropology optional. The anthropology batch will start from 29th November. The timing of the batch will be from 5 p.m. onwards.